In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code or embed codes in Wix. If you're looking to enhance your Wix website with custom HTML or integrate third-party services with ease, this is the perfect guide for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along without any hitches. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a Wix beginner, these instructions will help you make the most out of your site. To start, simply head over to Wix's website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Wix, take a moment to create an account. It's straightforward and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you've logged in, you have a choice. Either open an existing project that you want to enhance or start fresh with a new site. To do this, you'll find intuitive options on the Wix dashboard. When you're ready, look at the left side panel of the Wix editor. There, you'll see an add icon resembling a plus sign. Clicking here is your gateway to enriching your page. After clicking, various site elements will appear, giving you a variety of options to choose from. For our purpose today, focus on the section labeled Embed and Social. It stands out as a vital tool for integrating custom code into your website. Within the Embed and Social area, you'll find an option succinctly named Embed Code. Giving it a click will present you with a code editor panel. This is where the magic happens. Take the HTML code or embed code that you want to insert. Perhaps it's a custom widget, video, or another feature, and paste it directly into this editor. Make sure you've copied all of the necessary code without any parts missing. Once pasted, you'll see the embed block appear within the workspace. The next step is to position this element onto your page. It's as simple as dragging and dropping the block wherever you deem fit on your website. Consider the layout and design of your page. You want the embedded element to look like it naturally belongs and enhances the user experience. Maybe your code is an interactive map or a social media feed. Just make sure it complements the rest of your content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully incorporated HTML code or embedded content into your Wix site. Remember, you can preview how it all looks in the editor and on different devices to ensure a polished final product. This newfound capability can make your website more dynamic and engaging for visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building!